How to enable soft focus for your video in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can enable the soft focus, which is used to give you a more refined look and a smoother quality in Microsoft Teams. So in order to start, the first thing that you'll need to do is go to these three dots present just beside your profile picture. Once you click onto these three dots, you will see this option of settings. Now you can navigate to the same exact page by simply pressing the control and the comma buttons, and it will lead you right here. And then from here you will have this option that says devices. So simply click onto this devices tab, and within the devices you can scroll down and you will find at the very last this option that says soft focus. This smoothens your appearance for a more polished look. So to enable this, simply click onto this toggle, and once it gets enabled, you have this slider as well, so you can determine how much of a polished look you would like. So you can simply adjust the amount of polishness that you want in your face, and once you are done with this, you can simply reload the Microsoft Teams application and you are good to go. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.